Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel, man. I'm so excited to do this video for you guys because I told y'all about a couple videos back that my next step is learning how to no-lift shift, and that would put me in another level. And if I was able to do this, I feel like I'm going to the next level, and I feel like I'm doing it pretty quickly because I put a lot of time in this car. I'm driving behind this car a lot, and yeah, man. So today I'm going to share with you guys how to no-lift shift in a Camaro SS 1LE, and this applies to the 5th gens, this applies to the 6th gens, this applies to if you have a manual car on the Camaro platform, man. The only difference is that probably on the 5th gen, where to do this based on the RPMs, it might be different, but in the 6th gen Camaro, you can unlock this feature after 5,000 RPMs, you know? So that's what we're gonna do today. That's what I'm gonna show you guys today, is how to no-lift shift your Camaro. And what's crazy is it's coming from a noob manual driver, man. So I'm glad that I was able to learn this feature. I practiced it a lot, and now I can share it with you guys, because you know that's taking me to the next level, and that's all we're doing is going to the next level, man. So let's hop in the car. Okay guys, so I don't have like a good GoPro camera to like attach to what's in the car because I left that at the house, but I'm gonna just show you guys what I'm doing so you can get an understanding of what I'm doing while I'm driving and how I'm going to do it. So let's say I'm just driving like normal, and then I'm in 3rd gear, foot on the gas because I'm throwing it really hard, then I put it on the clutch, and then I just throw it into the gear. Now the car is going to make like a weird noise, but that's okay. That's what it's supposed to do, and you're not messing up the car at all because it's built in from GM technology on how to no-lift shift these cars, and it's only going to enable you to do this when you are past 5,000 RPM. So that's that. So we're gonna go ahead and get to driving, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to no-lift shift from a noob. So, and I'm just sharing you guys and my vulnerabilities because if I can do it, you can do it. This is my first manual car ever, and I'm glad that I'm being able to do a lot of this stuff, man. So come on with me. Show you guys how to do this, and I suggest, if you guys interested on doing this, and if you want to, you know, learn how to do no-lift shift, I say do it at nighttime because there are less cars on the road, and you can do it on the highway. It's best, or if you know a straight road that you know that don't have any bumps, you know, you can do a quick pull that way. And the reason I want to show you guys no-lift shift because I feel like it's a feature that people do not take advantage of, and I don't do this all the time. I mean, I had to be breaking like speed limits to be doing this, but it's something that GM installed in the car that, you know, can help keep the car in momentum, because people be saying like autos are faster, and they are faster because, you know, you're not shifting. But for the people who are shifting, this helps keep that momentum up so you can keep up with an auto. And this helps for people at the drag strip. This helps for people at the track too. So we just now getting on the highway, and I'm in 3rd gear, so I'm about to show you guys a pull on how to do the no-lift shift real quick. So that's pretty fun. You can actually do it when merging, but hopefully you guys heard that sound. And it sounds crazy. When I first did it and it made that sound, I didn't do it for like another 2 weeks or so because the sound kept bugging me. But after I kept doing it, that's what it's supposed to do. After I watch the Chevrolet when the ZL1 when LE was doing it, I heard that in his video as the guy was shifting, because he did it on the straightaway, and he was doing that to keep the momentum. So the whole point of no lift shift is to keep that momentum for you guys. Now, you don't do it driving through the city, you know, you don't do that. Like when I'm driving through the city, I don't do that at all. I shift normal. I shift at the most optimal gear sometimes. I don't even have the feature I don't have that like adapter or harness to force me to go into like second gear, or the car stop telling me to go to first or fourth. Sometimes I go to first or fourth if I'm driving this car early in the morning. I don't feel like, you know, going through all the gears. I'm trying to skip gears, but this gives you the idea of when to use it. And you can do it, you can use this when you're street racing, road racing at best. You can do this at the track, like a road course, because you're on the straightaway trying to keep that momentum. Or you can do this at a drag strip. But most people who go to the drag strip, I feel like, are autos, because, you know, you're trying to get the best time. But that don't stop manual drivers from going, because, hey, if you want to take your manual out there and you're a skilled driver and you feel like you can keep up and get the best time, you can do it. You can do it that way too. So that's why I'm just sharing with you guys on how to no lift shift. So I'm getting back on the highway to show you this again. I hate roundabouts. I swear I hate roundabouts. So I'm gonna show you guys on what it's like if you don't no lift shift, and how you gonna, and like how much momentum you lose. So I'm in third gear going 50 miles an hour. I'm waiting for this car. Okay. So now I'm about to do the pull if I did no lift shift. You see how the car, it dropped RPMs, it dropped off the throttle a little bit, and I lost that momentum. That's not good. That's why GM put that no lift shift feature in there, so you can keep that momentum. So now I'm about to try it again. And I learned in third gear. That's how I learned from third to fourth. So I can hear it, and so then I can advance to going to second, from second to third doing it. So now we're gonna try it again, doing the no lift shift feature, so you can see the difference. Foot all the way down on the gas. Clutch. You see that? I kept going. The car did not even like lose any type of momentum. It regained that pull all the way through. And that will help you out and give you advantages in so many ways, And I'm just showing you guys real quick. Third gear, if I decide to do that again without no lift shifting. You see that? Yeah, I'm steady losing that momentum. So that's the whole point of doing no lift shift. I just want to share with you guys on how no lift shift works, showing you guys me doing a no lift shift, and that, you know, people that's like wanting to get a manual but they scared on getting a manual because, you know, they scared of shifting, they feel like it's slow, they feel like they're not gonna have a good time with the car. I mean, I disregard that, and you know, I don't believe that at all. Like, and I'm a first time guy doing this, so that should give you guys motivation on doing it yourself, getting the manual yourself, and just enjoying the car, because sometimes it's not always about being the fastest. Sometimes it's just always just learning, and I'm stepping out my norm. I mean, I could have got an older car to do this, but I always wanted a Camaro with the manual to do this, and I'm doing this. So like that's gonna wrap this video up. If you got any questions or concerns about no lift shift, or are you hesitant about it, or if you don't want to do it, I mean, there's some people I know that had a manual car in a Camaro and never done it ever. They're scared to do it because they feel like they're gonna mess up their clutch or they're gonna mess up their transmission. But as you can see, I'm doing it pretty good. I'm at 3,000 miles when I got comfortable to do this, and I did it the first time and it scared the crap out of me, but now I feel like I'm getting more comfortable with the car. So yeah, so like that, If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.